so far. That's one lamb that we've lost. It is Wednesday, the 24th of April, and we are now into our third week of lambing, and we've only got single figures left to go now, so as we're feeling pretty tired, that's good news for us. Around a week and they should all have lambed. So 2019 lambing, we're in the final section.
Morning. So that's good, 2 with 5.
What's happening now?
We're back down to the farm.
So here in the shed we've got a sheep in the adopter, and we've got Mabel on the halter and Tinky roaming free. Mabel is adopting a lamb, but she's not really enjoying it yet, are you, Mabel? And this one is also adopting this lamb here. A bit of extra excitement on the farm today as we are moving the Highland cows for some TB testing. So just bringing them in. It's another busy day.
You're thin, aren't you, little lammy? Hey?
So we've got ourselves a new project. Number, what does that even say?
A1.
A1. M1?
A1 was supposed to be.
Hey little sad baby. We'll feed you now. Very thin. Very thin. So yes, in the community shed there's Dad holding on to Mabel so that Mabel's lamb can have a go. Sheep in the adopter over there, and then we've got the new one that's squidged itself into the corner, about to be trying with milk. You need a lot of patience. So whilst I do feed them several times a day, I do also give them lots of love and cuddles, and so I stroke them and I also talk to them too, because I think that they need all different forms of comfort and stimulation to make up for the fact that they don't have a proper mummy. And then these guys are just being nosy, aren't you? Because you were born last night outside and we brought you in. So now it's a bed today, we'll probably put you out today. It has been such a busy day. These guys have been a little bit neglected, haven't they? And one of them jumped out the field to come and find me. Oh, so it's a rainy Friday afternoon. We've been mega busy with the cows today. TB testing, we got a clear result. So since then, since yesterday, there is now a Timmy as well as a Tinky for me to look after. So off we go. It's a rainy day, a rainy Saturday. So Tinks is now majorly professional at drinking, and little Timmy is a triplet that was on his last legs. He's been brought in and now they're pals. Fruitly for a good report.
Well, hiya. Just brought these 2 lambs in. I think that's the last ewe to lamb. We've got 2 that may be a bit later, or even if they're in lamb. She's lambed in the last half hour. They're good strong lambs, but it's the most atrocious day. It's even worse than ever up the fields. So we've got plenty of pens, so in she comes.
I've got Timmy, Nick's got Tinky, we've got some newborns cowering. We're all cowering in the shed basically because of the massive storm, and we're just a little bit worried about tomorrow, whether anyone might have died in the night, which is not ideal, but it does happen. After the storm, everyone is enjoying a little bit of well-deserved calm and sunshine. Good morning, Mary. Where are your lambs? Babies! There we go. Let's get you fed. So I'm just going around checking on them after the storm. It's 7 AM Sunday. So far, so good. So far, that's one lamb that we've lost today and one yesterday, possibly because of the weather. Good morning on Sunday the 28th of April, and we've pretty much lambed all the sheep now, so it's just a case of keeping everything ticking over. 4 lambs being bottle fed, a number of triplets that we're having to keep an eye on. We've lost 2 lambs in the past 24 hours, and we've still got 2 late ewes to lamb at a later date. We've had a clear TB test this week, so that's great news for the farm. So the pressure's off a little bit now, and time to just push on with all of our other projects. So this sheep has come out of the adopter today. She's been in the adopter since Tuesday, but she's out now. And so the lambs have been successfully taken on board. So one is hers and the smaller one at the front is not hers, but she now thinks it is. So have a cauliflower leaf to celebrate. Yes. So this is an update on Timmy, who is growing, filling out really well, and Timmy and Tinky are now friends, spending their day in the garden at Dale Farm, saying hello to anybody who passes by. Tinks! Tinky! Hey Tinky! So yeah, they're pals now. So it's the 1st of May. And Mabel's in the adopter. Anything you'd like to say, Dad?
Well, Mabel sadly lost a lamb. Mabel lost a lamb sadly first time. It was a really large lamb and she couldn't birth it, and it might have even been dead to start with. And we thought it would be beneficial to her to have a lamb only to keep her milk supply good. But she's really rebelled so far. So this is the final few days, see what happens.
Come on, Mabes, your little lamb needs you, don't you, number 33? Oh, Mabes. There you go. I'm sorry that I had to put you in the adopter. That's to say sorry. Look what's been born. Got 2 calves this morning. So it's the afternoon of the 1st of May. It's a nice day, not too warm, not too cold. 2 calves born this morning. So lambing draws to a close. calving begins. It all works out quite nicely, and I'm feeling re-energized and upbeat again. So I'm going to finish the video there, and if you would please like, comment, subscribe. It's really great to hear from you, and I really appreciate it when you support my channel and watch my videos, and I will see you next time.